Move-in ready 3-bedroom, 2-bath concrete block home with a 2-car garage offering 1,888 square feet of living space and a desirable open floor plan. The beautifully updated kitchen, remodeled in 2022, features quartz countertops, newer appliances, and plenty of workspace for cooking and entertaining. The spacious primary suite includes his and her closets and a luxurious ensuite bath with dual sinks, soft close cabinetry, a relaxing garden tub, and a large walk-in shower. Additional upgrades include luxury vinyl plank flooring, 2023, a new HVAC system, 2023, energy-efficient windows and a new water heater, 2024, and a roof replaced in 2016. Enjoy year-round living in the impressive 39x12 enclosed Florida room, added in 2021, providing the perfect space for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying your morning coffee. Situated on a large corner lot, this home offers plenty of outdoor space and excellent curb appeal.